More Tailoring and the Swedish American Health Foundation partner to spread warmth and cheer around UW's Carbone Cancer Center. 32 colorful blankets and 40 scarves were dropped at the center for patients to take if needed. CEO of Tadmor, Serene Ala Sharif, says spreading cheer any season doesn't have to be monetary. It could be through donations or giving time.
It's a hard time in their life, and they're probably scared, cold, and we wanted to give them something to brighten their day on one of probably the most difficult days of their life. And we thought making them, when we reached out and asked what the cancer center could use for the patients, they said blankets.